exciting. My BoxyCharm Luxe came today in the mail. And if you aren't familiar, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. And if you're a BoxyCharm subscriber, you can choose to get this BoxyCharm Luxe. It's brand new. This is the first one they've done. I do know a few of the things that are in here. They've given us some sneak peeks at some of the items in here, and I'm pretty excited about them. Okay, so let's jump right in. So very similar to the normal one on the inside of the box. And then this is a little pamphlet guide. It'll tell you about all the products. But let's not peek. So right away you can see a number of the items. On top we have Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. On the back it says, "Embrace your beautiful contradictions." This is right up my alley. It's got a bunch of nudes in it. This retails for $35. Next thing we have a HYDRAPLUMP liquid lipstick, a semi-matte in Rebel Raisin, on the back it claims to be 97% comfortable to wear, 94% people said lips look naturally fuller, 94% said it didn't sting, and it claims to be long wear. It's got a little clear section on the side, and it's got your typical doe foot applicator. Hi, Trace. This retails for $25. The next item that we have is a brush from LUXIE. This is the LUXIE 732 Airbrush Foundation Brush. It's got a little groove in it. It's very soft. This is one of Tracer's favorite things, are the brushes. Aren't they? They're your favorite things. Okay, don't steal that though. This brush retails for $32. Okay, leave it there though. Okay. The next thing we have is a package of eye brushes. I can't really read the can't read it. These are, oh, hey, come back with that. She really likes brushes. These are the ALAMAR Cosmetics brush sets. I guess maybe that's what it says on there. It's super hard to read. There's 3 brushes in the set. These ALAMAR brushes retail for $18. This is the Death Valley Dry Shampoo. It says, Death Valley is the quickest way to get volume and body into your hair. Give your hair a shot of Death Valley whenever you want it, and it will liven right up. And this retails for $17. Okay, so that was everything on top. And I still haven't seen the thing that I'm most excited about, one of the sneak peek items. Oh, this is one of the ones they did tell me about. This is the GIRLACTIK Skin Glow in Moonlight. This retails for $26. All right. And the next item it appears to be maybe a reusable shopping bag, possibly. It is a tote. Tote's a charm. Okay, then we can see the rest of the items in the box. We have Smashbox Photo Finish Centering Citrus Primer Water. I am super excited about this. Let's see how this smells. Pretty good. I do not have really many things that are scented, and I don't mind scents, so this is exciting. This retails for $32. This also claims to be limited edition. We have from Juice Beauty, Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Booster Serum. Reduce the appearance of wrinkles with this ultra light gel serum. Power packed with an optimum dose of our proprietary blend of fruit stem cells infused into vitamin C. Packaging is nice. It's got a really nice pump on it. I do like that. And I like the scent. This serum retails for $80. The next item, we have Sol IPANEMA Sunset Glow Oil. It says, create a romantic, illuminating glow that mimics the enchanting light of an Ipanema beach sunset, if I'm saying that right. Chances are probably not. Okay, I thought this was gonna be a pump or maybe something other than a bottle with a screw-off cap. It smells beachy. It still has a little faint scent of what I associate with fake tan, which I'm not a huge fan of. But this giant cap, you'd think the packaging was going to be different on the inside. It's a little bit misleading. And this retails for $35. All right, the next thing in the box. from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, the Dolly Makeup Headband. Keep your hair under wraps with this gorgeous vintage inspired polka dot headband, perfect for holding back those luscious locks when applying makeup or when you just want to kick back and relax with a face mask. You can be assured that the super soft and comfortable headband will keep your hair out of harm's way. And it just feels like a microfiber towel. This retails for $4.99. Okay, the last thing in the box, and I also knew about this, is the Tarte Princess palette. I am really excited about this one. I've been looking at possibly getting this one. I was looking at buying that whole bundle with all the Park Ave Princess items, but there were a number of things in there that I didn't really want, so this is perfect. And I absolutely love the packaging. It has a really nice mirror that says chiseled like a diamond. And this palette retails for $45. So again, this was the brand new Boxy Luxe. This is the first one they've done. Again, you have to be a subscriber to the regular BoxyCharm in order to get the BoxyCharm Luxe. And this is the pamphlet from the inside, which I probably should have shown before. And the last piece, I got some pictures on the back. And then on the back of the pamphlet, they've got some coupons for some of the products that were included in the box. If you want to see more unboxing videos like this one, be sure to subscribe. And don't forget to leave your comments down below. Does anybody else's dog really like brushes? Put that over there. Thank you, Tracer. Okay, the next item on top, the last item on top, is Death Valley dry shampoo. This dog with brushes.